Hello. This is day 3 and this is my fit check. So this is our last day here in Shillong. We are at our property right now. We've decided to keep it low today because the past 3 days have been quite exhausting. We're gonna go to the police bazaar. That is the main market area here. We're gonna explore the market, get some things, explore the cafes and restaurants, eat lots of food. Fun little thing here. We've decided to do a secret gift giving things. We have taken out the chits, and now today's task at the PB market is going to be looking for a gift for someone that I've got. So yeah, I'm gonna show you around Shillong today. So we have come to this cafe called the Press Cafe. We're gonna have some food here, basically brunch. So I'm here at the Police Bazaar. This is a big market area where you find a lot of clothes, blankets, and all the other general items for home. It's quite big. It's quite nice, in fact. But I'm going towards the other side of PB. Let's see if we find something nice made of bamboo here. Let me show you the market right now. So after a lot of search, I finally found something to gift my secret friend. My god, this market is quite basic, I must say. Like there's not a lot of variety. I was hoping to find a lot of variety in terms of bamboo and jute and local products, but it has like very generic products. So it was a difficult thing, but I found a little something. I hope that person likes it. Right now we are in Bara Bazaar of Shillong. It's giving like wholesale local vibe. It feels like I'm roaming in Chandni Chowk of Delhi. Just one pro tip that you should remember is if you find something that you like anywhere at any tourist spot in Shillong, just get it. Because we thought things were expensive because those were tourist locations. And we did not get them thinking, we'll go back to Shillong and we'll buy them from Police Bazaar. But we did not find any of those things here. So if you like something, just buy it. Do not think that in Police Bazaar you're gonna find everything, because you're not. Bye. So now, after shopping a little bit, we have come to a really nice restaurant, and it is known for the local cuisine but in fine dining. This is the entry. Everything is reserved. They do not have any free table for now. This is so sad. It looked really nice, but now we are in the process of looking for another one. Let's see where we end then. Oh god, we are walking towards this cafe. It's all uphill. Not the most ideal situation right now. So we have come to this restaurant here. Its name is Ahava. It looks quite nice, huh? So we are at the Shillong airport waiting for a flight to Delhi. It feels a little weird to leave because obviously you're here with your friends, you're having the time of your life. The thing that you've planned for so long just ends in a blink of an eye. So yes, it feels a little weird, but anyways, we are leaving now. There's one thing very important that I'd like to mention here. If you're coming to Shillong, I would highly recommend booking the flights from Guwahati for going back, because from Shillong there are very less options, and if your flight gets cancelled or if it is rescheduled or if you miss the flight, you will not really get a lot of options to reschedule or to rebook. It's going to be way better to book from Guwahati. This happened with one of our friends. His flight got cancelled, and today there are only 2-3 flight options which are all full, so he could not get a rebook. And now he's trying to go to Guwahati to try to catch a flight from there. The trip is coming to an end. I feel a little sad, but anyways, Shillong as a town did not really have a lot to offer around it. Obviously, there are lots and lots of places to explore, but you should definitely take a lot of time. Have at least 10 days, 15 days to explore all the places around. Otherwise, it could get hectic, which is what happened with us. I think I'd like to come back during the monsoon. That's something that I've had in mind. Going back to Delhi now, signing off. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.